Presenting our best Angel Orchid tea light candles. 10 pieces Angel Orchid tea light with 2.5 hours burn time. Thoughtfully designed to enhance your environment with gentle light and a captivating aroma. Each candle offers up to 2.5 hours of steady burn, ensuring extended relaxation or ambience enhancement. The Angel Orchid scent delivers a refined and delicate floral aroma, evoking peace, calm, and a hint of luxury in every moment. These candles provide a clean, smoke-free burn while diffusing their enchanting scent evenly. Buy one pack of 10 pieces, only $2.99. Long-lasting aromatherapy candles. Each pack contains 10 candles, providing you with an ample supply of delightful aromas that are easy to store. The Angel Orchid scent is a perfect blend of sweetness and freshness, making it an excellent choice for those who enjoy fruity and floral scents. These candles are made from high-quality wax and contain a special Angel Orchid fragrance that is pleasant and soothing. Measuring just the right size, these tea lights fit seamlessly into most standard holders, floating bowls, or decorative setups. Get these tea light candles today and enjoy their soothing scent and beautiful glow. These scented candles make for an ideal gift for loved ones and friends, offering relaxation and indulgence. Whether you're lighting a candle to unwind or infuse romance into a special occasion, this set excels at setting the perfect ambience. Our candles burn long and bright, ensuring you can enjoy their delightful fragrances for an extended period. So, create unforgettable moments with the soothing glow and aroma of Angel Orchid tea light candles, a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. And the end, leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.